So we're going to be talking about an angle bisector. An angle bisector is something, typically a ray, it could be a line or a segment, but it's something that breaks an angle, divides an angle into two congruent angles. So let's take this angle here and let's construct an angle bisector. So as you can see, it's going right down the middle, and as I manipulate this angle, it stays right down the middle. Let's get the definition of angle bisector up. It's a ray that divides an angle into two congruent angles. I'm going to add a point here to this ray so we can talk about this diagram a little bit more. So in this example, BD, ray BD is the angle bisector. So we might say something like ray BD bisects angle ABC. And if BD is an angle bisector, then we could also say that angle ABD is going to be congruent to angle CBD. And again, if those angles are congruent, you might see markings in the diagram that look like a single arc with a single arc, or you might see a double arc with a double arc. And then you would know that ray BD is in fact splitting angle ABC into two congruent parts. That makes BD an angle bisector. So let's say we know that BD is an angle bisector and it's bisecting angle ABC. And let's say we measure angle ABC and we find out it has a measure of 72 degrees. So this whole angle ABC has a measure of 72 degrees. We ought to be able to find the measure of angle DBC by splitting 72 degrees in half. So let's measure that angle and find out what it is.